this shit in.
Yeah, I got this Maytag. I did the actuator. Now it's about these shocks.
No.
I'll repair the shocks. It's the stuff that I got that works great on these shocks. We can see how it bounces. It's supposed to be a stiff move.
Yo, my sinus is draining. Because it's probably about to be done. I can tell. Just riding and look at cars and stuff, trucks.
I usually take a chain, just hang it. I just loop it in here and loop it up here so it can hold this top up. I usually get me some grip pliers and this spring. Come on,
And
take it off.
Start smoking, man.
I usually take one side of it. You got 4.
Yeah, I'm looking at it.
But
for the angle wise.
And I take both of these off so I can still kind of fall down. See all this grease right here? That's all. This shop have like some type of special grease that keeps it all stiff. And this is pretty much what he uses on it from the Whirlpool company, and it just don't have enough grease. But this is how I get it out. This one, see this one's still up there so it won't fall. Come get this one. Two at a time. And what I do is I pack grease. Take this little Teflon, whatever the little cushion. I take it out, pack grease under that. Pack grease into that, and stiffen the shock up, just like that.
Heads on.
And now you see it's stiff now. The last 2. Got them all in. That's how you want it. And I'm gonna run an automatic spin test in it. I'm gonna take this lid. I done had the little lid catch. I'm gonna put this in it just so I can lift it up so I can see it spin. I'm gonna put it in a manual spin test. Yeah, it was actuator. Now it's the shocks that I had to repair on.